So, it looks like Apple is ready to shake things up by potentially rolling out LTPO OLED displays across all models next year. If you remember, Apple first dipped its toes into LTPO display tech with the iPhone 13 Pro, and now there are strong whispers that the iPhone 17 series will embrace this game-changing technology. Now, here's where it gets interesting for Samsung. The Galaxy S24 flagships are already rocking LTPO displays, but the iPhone 16 models only have this tech on the Pro versions. That's about to change big time. If Apple pushes LTPO to every model in the iPhone 17 lineup, it could put some serious pressure on Samsung's mobile division. Sure, their display subsidiary might get a boost in orders, especially since BOE will be sitting on the sidelines next year due to its lack of LTPO capabilities. This means more OLED orders could be flowing to Samsung and LG. You see, whenever Apple upgrades its hardware, it tends to throw a wrench into Samsung's ambitions. Despite Samsung's impressive track record of being an early adopter of innovative technologies, Apple has a knack for surpassing them at crucial moments. For instance, the iPhone 16 features Samsung's cutting-edge M14 OLED, while the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra probably won't be getting that new tech anytime soon. So, while Samsung's display division is set to benefit from Apple's decision to adopt LTPO, the mobile division might feel a bit of heat. On top of all that, there's some buzz about Apple shifting part of its iPhone 17 development to India for the very first time. Yep, you heard that right. Traditionally, Apple's devices are designed in California, but now they're mixing things up by moving some of the iPhone 17 testing and development to India. This move is part of Apple's strategy to diversify its manufacturing and reduce its heavy reliance on China. According to reports, Apple is utilizing a factory in Bangalore, specifically a Foxconn facility, to turn the iPhone 17 prototype design into something that can actually be mass-produced. This initial manufacturing testing is focused on the base model, codenamed V57, while the Pro models are still getting the usual treatment in China. This is a pretty big deal because it marks the first time Apple has done a significant part of the iPhone manufacturing process outside of China. What's even more interesting is that this testing phase is expected to include experimenting with materials and production processes, and it seems like things might be moving faster than usual. The iPhone 17 design has already passed an important stage called Proto 1, where thousands of test devices are built to assess their quality. Engineers from both Apple and Foxconn, yes, including local talent, are getting their hands dirty in this process. If everything goes smoothly, the final manufacturing process for the iPhone 17 could be replicated across other factories, including those in China. This move to India is part of Apple's long-term strategy to diversify its supply chain, as we've already seen with iPad development shifting to Vietnam earlier this year. So, what are your thoughts on the upcoming iPhone 17 lineup? Are you excited about the potential LTPO displays and the shift in manufacturing? Let me know in the comments below. And for more juicy updates, make sure to check out our channel. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.